Guys, this is like the perfect morning. I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. I brought my sword. I will try to dance with my sword and see how all that goes, and we'll see if we can get some music to run at the same time. So it's gonna be a bit of a challenge here. I've never done this before, so I don't even know if this is gonna work, and I'm hoping that YouTube does not kill the music, because that would really be bad. But you never know what's gonna happen, so we are gonna give it a try. So, all right, the good old drone is up and running. We've got all the cool equipment ready to fly, ready to run. I forgot to stick in the thingy over here. That's got commercials of death. And let's see how this is gonna run, because we need the good old hubsan to be up in the air, and hubsan will get up in a second. And then we're gonna see what happens with the sword. One of the cool things that I think that people don't get about Tai Chi is once you start getting into it enough, you can play whatever music you want to it. And so long as it's not really fast-paced music, you can have fun with it. You don't have to always go through for the traditional style. Again, whatever I do is not traditional in any way, so don't be offended. I'm not trying to do traditional style kung fu, gong fu. Okay, let's get up there. Wake up the drone. Will be showing up on camera. There it is. I'm going to send this a little bit further out, and then I'm going to gently turn it. I'm going to try to go with the very gentle pace yaw rate, so we still get a nice feel. There was a bird up on the tree earlier. It was kind of cute. Just checking out the neighborhood. And some very nice stuff going on here. So what we're going to do is going to push it back a little bit. There we go. And lift it up a little bit more. Aim it. So gimbal it down. I'm starting to get used to the gimbal it down instructions. We will then do the active track on me. Where is it? Following active track. We will aim it at me. Let me put myself in a slightly better position in a second, and then we'll get up and running anyway. This thing only has, 5 minutes on the VR camera, so